Hello, my name is Mrs. Bigelow, and I'm here today to go over the letter sounds. The letter sounds are the foundation of reading. Your little ones need to know their letter sounds in order to learn to read. ¿Ok? Buenas tardes, me llamo señora Bigelow. Estoy aquí para enseñar a ustedes los alfabetos en inglés, los sonidos de alfabetos en inglés. Tu niño necesita saber sonidos de alfabetos en inglés para saber cómo se leer. Entonces vamos a aprender esto en junto. So let's come together and we are going to be learning our letter sounds together. So I'm going to start with A. A says a, apple. B says b, balloon. C says k, cat. D says d, dog. E says elephant. F says fish. G says g, goat. H says hat. I says inch. J says jar. K says kite. L says lion. M says monkey. N says nest. O says octopus. P says pig. Q says quilt. R says rabbit. S says sun. T says tent. U says umbrella. V says vest. W says wagon. X says fox. Y says yarn. Z says zebra. So I hope that this mini lesson was very helpful. So you can play this video as many times as possible. Ustedes puede mirar ese video muchas veces con tus niños para que ellos aprender los sonidos de alfabetos en inglés. Buenas noches. Adios. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.